friends, we're talking about dinosaurs. Everybody loves dinosaurs. This story is called Dinosaurumpus. Look how fun. I wonder what they're going to do with the dinosaurs. There's a quake and a quiver and a rumbling around. It makes you shiver. It's a thundery sound. Shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. The dinosaurs are coming. Get ready to romp. Dong, 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 there's a triceratops. Jump up and down, doing dinosaur hops. He wears 3 horns, 1, 2, 3, on his big bony head, and blunders around with a bump, bump, bump tread. Shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. The dinosaurs are coming. Get ready to romp. Watch out for a Patasaurus tops. For slushy, mushy snacks, his tail starts swinging with a thwackety thwack thwack. Shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. Dinosaurs are coming. Get ready to romp. Pterodon dives with a swift start, swoosh, eek as he swirls with a loop. Stegosaurus stomps along with lots of playmates. Clatter, clatter, clatter go on the bony back plates. Shake, shake, shudder, and the sludgy old swamp. The dinosaurs are coming. Get ready to romp. Boing, boing, slip, snaps, twist and twirl. Clatter, clatter, rattle, zoom, zoom, come and take a peek. Shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. Everyone's doing the dinosaur romp. Roar! Roar, roar, roar. What makes that sound? The dinosaur stops and there's silence around. Roar, roar, roar. Now we're shivering with a fright. What can make that dinosaur look like that? What can make that sound in the night? Tyrannosaurus crashes in, gnashing his jaws. Wallop on the ground, got his big back claws. He's huge and he's heavy, but all that he wants to do is join in the romp. So why don't you? Ready? You need to shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. Everyone's doing the dinosaur romp. Get romping with the T-Rex and stomping, stomp, stomp. Wave your arms madly and then make your feet go bump. The dinosaurs won't scratch us or bite us or thump us. Just want to holler up, Dinosaurumpus. Shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. Everyone's doing the dinosaur romp. The Dinosaurumpus give a sizzle and a zing. It makes you want to shout up, jump, jump, shiggle, shiggle, swing. Sing, shake, shake, shudder near the sludgy old swamp. Everyone's doing the dinosaur romp. And soon all the rompers go sleepy and slow. The rumpus comes down and sound drips low. The rompers drift together and the tumble in the heap till finally the dinosaurs all fall fast asleep. And now the only noise in the deep night is dinosaurs snoring till the next day's light. Bye, friends. Hope you enjoyed that.